Welcome to Jim Gilbert's PowerSports online showroom. In stock and ready to go is this 2020 Kawasaki BruteForce 300. Compact power, smooth and sporty. A powerful sporty 271cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine with the electric start is paired with an ultra-smooth automatic continuously variable transmission, with centrifugal clutch offering a high and low range and reverse.
There's nothing subtle about it. It's the last thing in the world you'd call delicate. It's a brawler, not a scrapper. If it's not the leader of the pack, it'll eat the pack. It's the opposite of soft. It doesn't claim its territory, it abducts it. It's not the little engine that could, it's the giant engine that will. It doesn't pull any punches because it's too busy throwing them. It grew up on the muddy side of the tracks. Under no circumstance does it play well with others. It's pure power, it's raw muscle, it's brute force.
Featuring a 271cc liquid-cooled engine,
Kawasaki lets the good times roll. Get aboard, get away, and you're gonna say, let the good times roll.
500-pound towing capacity, large protective floorboards, front and rear cargo racks.
Kawasaki lets the good times roll. Get aboard, get away, and you're gonna say, let the good times.
Continuously variable transmission with centrifugal clutch offers high and low ranges and reverse.
We specialize in helpful financing and would love to help you get this or any one of our other power products home today.
We'll give you a hug, of friendship.